Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me. Miller's Falls, number 8, for sale. This is the same one that I cleaned up, tuned up, opened the mouth up on it, properly set the frog, and as you can see, it is working perfectly. Now, if I were to keep this plane, I would strip and refinish the tote and the knob, but that's about it. She's ready to go to work. So if you're interested, contact me. The Miller's Falls number 8 is similar in size to the Stanley number 3. It is considered a smoothing plane, but you could use it for just about any small task. The sole has been flattened. It is flat, 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 flat. There's no corrosion anywhere. Clean as a whistle. Miller's Falls, number 8. If you're interested, contact me. Walter out.